Welcome back to Love Lab Lounge. Today, we're tackling a topic that many couples encounter but few openly discuss: sexless marriages. Though this conversation can be uncomfortable, it's crucial for fostering a healthy and fulfilling relationship. Did you know that while 75% of married couples report overall satisfaction in their relationships, more than half, yes, over 50%, feel dissatisfied with their sex lives? That's quite a stark contrast, isn't it? So what's happening here? Why do so many couples struggle to connect intimately, even when they're content in other areas of their relationship? Let's delve into some of the key factors contributing to this issue. To start, we need to address the decline of the PEA, phenylephrine chemical in our brains. This neurotransmitter is responsible for that exhilarating butterflies in your stomach feeling when you first fall in love. However, after about 2 years of marriage, PEA levels often begin to drop, leading many couples to experience a decrease in sexual excitement and desire. If you think back to those early days, filled with thrilling kisses, laughter, and late-night discussions, the contrast can be striking. Understanding that this decline is a natural part of relationship dynamics can help us recognize the importance of taking proactive steps to reignite that initial spark. Next, let's discuss the impact of sex education. Many women grow up with the belief that sex is dirty or unimportant, while men are frequently exposed to unrealistic portrayals of sex in pornography. This imbalance creates a significant disconnect in sexual compatibility and understanding between partners. Imagine navigating intimacy with different learning perspectives. One partner may feel shame about sex, while the other has expectations shaped by adult entertainment. These contradictions can lead to misunderstandings in the bedroom, which ideally should be a safe and pleasurable space. Moreover, the enormity of modern life stressors significantly contribute to this challenge. With many women balancing careers, household chores, and caregiving for children or aging relatives, is it any surprise that they often feel too worn out for intimacy? This exhaustion can turn the desire for sex into just another chore, rather than a joyful and connecting experience. Think about the last time you or your partner came home after a long day. Exhaustion is palpable, and sometimes the thought of intimacy feels as daunting as climbing a mountain. When life gets busy, intimacy can easily get pushed to the back burner, but it's crucial to remember that it should be a priority rather than a luxury. It's the emotional bond that fuels a healthy relationship. We cannot overlook the impact of past sexual trauma or abuse, either. For some individuals, such experiences can result in deep-seated anxiety or aversion to physical intimacy, which profoundly affects current relationships. Acknowledging and addressing this trauma is essential. Seeking professional help, like therapy, can be a vital step in releasing the burdens of past experiences and learning how to engage in a healthy, loving relationship. Partners should support each other by encouraging open conversations about past experiences, fostering empathy, and rebuilding trust.
So, what can couples do to revive intimacy in their marriages? Here are some practical tips to get started today. Prioritize physical intimacy. It's essential to carve out dedicated time for connection amidst busy schedules. Make date nights a priority, whether you choose to dine out, watch a movie, or enjoy a cozy evening in. Engage in activities you both enjoy, as shared experiences can strengthen your bond. Establishing a regular routine can turn intimacy into a cherished time together rather than a mundane obligation. Address sexual dysfunction. If there are any issues affecting your sexual relationship, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. There's no shame in addressing health concerns that impact your sex life. Consulting a healthcare provider or therapist specializing in sexual health can offer personalized solutions and insights. Limit distractions. In today's digital age, it's easy to become sidetracked by phones and devices during intimate moments. Make a conscious effort to disconnect from technology and focus solely on each other. Consider establishing your bedroom as a device-free zone. You'd be amazed at how much deeper your connection feels without the constant interruptions. Communicate openly. Honest discussions about your sexual needs and desires can bridge gaps that may have formed over time. While it might feel awkward at first, sharing your wants can lead to greater understanding and intimacy. Set aside time to discuss your sexual journey as a couple. Celebrate what is working and explore each other's desires and fantasies. Rekindle non-sexual touch. consider exploring intimate activities beyond penetrative sex. Cuddling, kissing, and massages can all ignite the spark and restore a sense of closeness. Fostering pleasure through non-sexual touch can build anticipation and allow both partners to feel cherished, reducing pressure surrounding sexual encounters. Transform routine into romance. Incorporate spontaneity into your relationship. Surprise your partner with unexpected dates or heartfelt notes. These small gestures can significantly enhance feelings of affection and emotional bonding. Inject fun and playfulness. Engage in lighthearted activities that foster joy and laughter, helping to break down barriers and promote connection. Whether you plan an impromptu dance party or a silly game night, these moments can lead to deeper affection. Express appreciation. Regularly acknowledging and complimenting your partner can make them feel valued and desired. Take a moment each day to recognize the qualities you love about them or express gratitude for small acts of kindness. Focus on personal growth. Sometimes, reigniting intimacy involves focusing on becoming the best version of yourself. Invest in personal interests and self-care. This self-fulfillment can ignite a vibrant energy in your relationship. At Love Lab Lounge, we champion breaking the stigma around sex and relationships. It's time to engage in these important conversations and actively seek practical solutions for reviving intimacy in sexless marriages. Remember, seeking help from specialists, like therapists, sex coaches, or counselors, is not something to be ashamed of. It can offer tailored strategies and a supportive environment for exploring these issues constructively. As we wrap up today's discussion, keep in mind that sexless marriages are a common challenge rather than a personal shortcoming. Approaching the situation as a partnership allows both partners to take responsibility for nurturing intimacy in their relationship. Fostering empathy and understanding during these discussions creates space for open sharing of thoughts and feelings. Seek support in whatever form resonates with you, whether it's self-help strategies, couples therapy, or informational workshops on intimacy. Thank you for joining us today at Love Lab Lounge. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on love and relationships. Every relationship has its ups and downs, and navigating these challenges together is the path to a fulfilling partnership. Until next time, keep the love alive